Akhil Srivastava teaching you maths of class 9th, polynomial chapters. Third. In this, before the last exercise, after the factor theorem, you will start the algebraic identities. What is the chapter? In this chapter, last topic is algebraic identities, which we know in the previous classes very well. First identity we are seeing here, x plus y whole square, x square plus y square plus 2xy. Second identity, x minus y whole square, x square plus y square minus 2xy. Third identity, x square minus y square is x plus y, x minus y. That we know very well. And one more in class 8 we know x plus a, x plus b will be x square plus bracket a plus b x plus ab. From here we will see the 9th standard, a plus b plus c, x plus y plus z whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. This you can multiply and get, if you want, whole cube means 3 brackets you multiply, x cube plus y cube plus 3xy x plus y, it is one formula. When open this bracket you will get a x cube plus y cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square. Like this, minus cube, 7th, x cube plus minus y cube minus 3xy x minus y. When you open bracket you will get x cube minus y cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square minus minus plus. And one more identity, cube of all minus 3xyz, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz has a formula x plus y plus z in one bracket, another bracket x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. 9th, if this is given x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz, in this, if x plus y plus z is equal to 0, then this will be changed, minus 3xyz will go that side, it will be 0. This formula, when whole equation, this will be 0, 0 into this, your right side will be 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube always 3xyz. When these three sum will be 0, then you can direct get the answer. It is one formula. Another, it is given equal to this. So this term 0, then all will be multiplied. Now by the a plus b x whole square or x plus y, this x plus 1 upon x whole square is x square minus 1 by x square plus 2. X minus 1 upon, so here minus 2, because 2 into ab, 2 into x into 1 by x cancel. Factor of the cube, x cube minus y cube will be x minus y in one bracket, another bracket x square minus xy plus y square. This is third identity, x cube minus y cube is x minus y in one bracket, x square plus xy plus y square. Now we will see some examples based on it. One example, a plus 3 in two bracket. So a plus 3 whole square you will get, using the identity x plus y whole square you are getting a square plus 9 plus 2 into a into 3 to the 6a. You can write middle here, you can write last, any place. M plus 3, M minus 3 will be used by the identity x plus a, x plus b, because a and b is this. B is minus 5. M plus 3, M plus minus 5. So here you are getting m square plus 3 minus 5m plus 3 into minus 5. You are getting m square minus 2m minus 15. It is this. What identity you are using? It is very simple, and previous classes you know. 104 into 107 you want to multiply, not direct, not like this. 104 into 107. No, this is not. You want to buy identity, using identity. So you write 104 as 100 plus 4, 107 as 100 plus 7. You will get x plus a, x plus b. So x is 100 and a and b are 4 and 7. You put in the identity, you get your answer. Here third identity, you will apply 36x square by 49, 6x square upon 6x by 7 whole square. Here you are getting 12 upon 5 y whole square. So you will get a plus b, a minus b. This plus this one bracket, this minus this. It is very familiar, you are in previous class. Another type of question is given if the right side of a plus b whole square is given 4x square plus 20xy plus 25. You change into 2x whole square plus 2 into ab plus 5y whole square. First whole square you change, then 2ab. 2 into a into b. Now use this identity a plus b whole square. You are getting 2x plus 5y whole square. You write in two brackets. Factorize. Next example I have taken x square plus 4y square plus 9z square plus 4xy plus 12yz plus 6zx. It means three terms are square. It means it will be a square plus b square plus c square, or a plus b plus c whole square. Formula is this. What is a, what is b, what is c, you find out by yourself. X is a square of x, 4y is a square of 2y, and then 9z is a square of 3z. After this you write without seeing this. A, B, C you are knowing. Now plus 2 a into b plus 2 b into c plus 2 c into a. And you can check 2 to the 4 you are getting here, 3 to the 6, 2 the 12 you are getting here, 6 you are getting here. No need to write this again like this. Here you have written now a, b, c, a plus b plus c whole square and write in two brackets. Next example is given, how expand this. Expansion formula is not like this, here minus sign. So first you convert into the x plus y plus z. How will you write? Minus b will be as a plus bracket minus b. Now this formula you apply, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2a into b plus 2b into c plus 2c into a. And then open the bracket, 2 to the 4 minus 4, 2 5 the 10 minus 10. And it is 5 to the 10 to the 20 AC. Where minus, where plus, that you decide. First you write like this in brackets. Expansion of this a minus b whole cube. This formula you identity. A cube plus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Everything I have written in the form of ab. A 2x, b 3y. Now 2 to the 4 to the 8, 3 3 the 9, 3 the 27, 2 to the 4, 3 the 12, 12 3 the 36, 2 3 the 6, 3 the 18, 3 3 the 9, 54 xy square. So you can do it. Evaluate 101. It is what? 101 whole cube. Identity, not like this 3 times you multiply. 101 whole cube you use identity. Identity means 100 plus 1 whole cube. Apply this identity using this x plus y whole cube. X cube means 100 cube plus 1 cube plus 3 into 100 square into 1 plus 3 into 100 into 1 square. Then like this you are getting this answer. Factorize this. It is given 10th example I have taken. A cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. You convert it. First don't see this. Only the cube part you see. 8x is a cube of which number? 2x. 1 by 3y whole cube is this. Now you don't see this. What will you write? You are getting a and b. So here 3a square b, 3 into 2x square into 1 by 3y I have written, plus 3ab square, 3 into 2x into b means 1 by 3y whole square. When you solve it, your answer will be this. When you solve it, your answer will be, no need to see this part. Now it is a, by using this identity x minus y whole cube. So 2x minus 1 by 3y whole cube, you write in 3 brackets same it is your factor. It is a power form. 11th example I am giving you. If it is given plus a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3 have a 3 cube, it means it is a last identity a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to a plus b plus c in one bracket. At the place of a I have written x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equal to x plus y plus z and x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus z. So here you search what is a, what is b, what is c. X 2y 5z, a cube, b cube, c cube, 3a, b, c. I am writing, you see, check 5 2 10 3 30 is here or not. So no need to write this as it is like this. Now your formula, first bracket has sum of all x plus 2y plus 5z. Second bracket has a square of all x square 4y square plus 25y z square minus ab 2xy minus bc 5 2 10iz minus zx means last and first 5zx. So it is your final answer. Factorize this by identity this a cube a minus b in one bracket, another bracket all are plus a square plus ab plus b square. You are seeing 2y whole cube minus 3z whole cube, 2y minus 3z in one bracket, here all are plus, here all will be with the plus, another bracket all are in positive side. Okay, I hope it is clear. 4y square 9z square 2 through just 6yz. Evaluate. This is a question given, evaluate without actual cubing. It means it is a question of the last identity a plus b plus c 0. So what about the a cube plus b cube plus c cube will be 3abc. You are getting c0, so you write this equal to 3 into a into b into c, 3 into minus 30 into 20 into over. Your answer is this. Example 2.5, first question is based on identity. This identity, fourth, x plus 4 x plus b x square plus a plus b x into plus ab. Apply this. Here you are getting this. In this b is minus 10. Apply same identity. Here b is not positive, but your identity have both are positive. So which is positive negative, you write as negative. 8 plus 10 8 minus 10. 8 into minus 10, like this you are getting this. Here 3x is the first term. So here x is the first term. Here what is 3x? So where is the x? You write 3x. 3x square plus 4 minus 5 x nahi. Here you will write 3x because here x is given, here what is given? 3x. 4 into minus 5 you are getting this. Question number fourth part of this. Third identity, y square is a one term, x as a plus b, a minus b, a square minus 2 square means 4, y power 4 minus 9 by 4. It is again the same identity, third. You are getting 9 minus 4x square. Evaluate by identity 100 plus 3, 100 plus 7. By this identity, you are getting this answer. Again 90 plus 5, 90 plus 6. Again this same identity x plus a, x plus b. You are getting this answer. Again you have the same, but this is a 100 plus 4 and 100 minus 4. You are using the third identity. A plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square. Third question has a factorize. Factorization by 9x square plus 6xy plus y square. 3x square plus 2x. So first and last what is square? A plus b whole square formula you will get. Reverse order. A minus b whole square you will get here in the reverse order. 2y minus 1 whole square you are getting. Third identity you are getting in the third part. a square minus b square is equal to a plus b, a minus b. You write in the whole square part. Question number 4 is expansion. Expansion of x plus 2y plus 4z, a plus b plus c whole square. Here x plus y plus z whole square, x square plus y square plus 2xy plus 2iz plus 2zx. Same thing you will apply and get your solution. I have written in the bracket, you see, check and multiply. Second part also you see, a plus b plus c is not there, a minus is given, so minus you write like this, convert a plus b plus c, a is 2x, b is minus y, c is z. Put all the values in the formula like this, you get this answer. Third part also is not given the same, minus is common. So minus 2x is the bracket, it is a, it is b, it is c. So write this, you again apply the same formula. And the fourth part also the same thing, 2 is not given. Fourth part, 2 is not given. You see, b and c both are. So it is 3a plus minus 7b plus minus c. It is your x, it is y, it is z. X square, y square, z square, like this. In the formula you write, then slowly you open the bracket. All the square will be positive, but product may be negative. Minus gives you minus, this minus minus plus, you are getting plus. Here minus plus minus you are getting. Last part also have the same, minus is outside. Fifth part. Now sixth part you see. In the sixth part, fraction is given. Again you write in the standard form, x plus y plus z. Negative you change into positive, writing in the bracket. Whole square plus this whole square plus this whole square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. All you simplify, your result is this. Now factorize. 4x square plus 9y square plus 16z square plus 12xy. It means it is a reverse order of this. A plus b plus c you will get. So first of all you choose whole square. It is a 2x whole square, it is a 3y whole square, it is a 4z whole square. But because there is a minus sign, it means out of these three any one is negative. So for this decision, product of x, y both are any one is negative, then there must be negative. Out of this any one is negative, then there is a negative. So it means y is negative, then here also negative. So you choose z is negative, here also z is here. So if z is negative, then these two will be negative. So in front of z you write minus sign. Z in front of z I have written minus, and then you write all in term of positive. Then it is a plus b plus c whole square, 2x plus 3y minus 4z. You write in two brackets. Similarly, last part, 2x square plus y square plus 8z square minus 2 root 2 xy plus 4 root 2 yz minus 8 xz. You see here, 2 is not a square of any number. So what is a square of root 2? Root 2x square, y square. 8 is not a perfect square. 8 will be 2 into 2 into 2. 8 will be like this. So you can write 2 square into root 2 square. So you can write it is a 2 root 2 whole square. So 8 can be replaced by 2 root 2 whole square. Here, 3 terms you are getting. Out of 3, which will be negative, that decide here sign. Out of xy, anyone is negative. Out of yz, anyone is negative. Out of xz, anyone is negative. Here you see, if y is negative, then it will be also negative. But here it is positive. It means y and z both are positive. Only x is negative. So you are putting in front of x minus root 2x. Now here you have minus written. All the x place you replace by minus. I am not writing 8. I am writing 2 into b z into x. 2 into 2 root 2z minus root 2x gives you 8. So first only you decide these three. By these three you can write these three terms by 2ab, 2bc, 2ca. Then it is whole square. Then in two brackets you will get. But when it is minus, it may be that it is positive, then other two will be negative like this. Both are correct. Here if it is positive, then these two will be negative. Otherwise these two are positive, only works will be negative. And you write in two brackets. So it is also your correct answer for this question. Thanks for today. Rest part of the exercise from question number 5 till last I will explain in your next lecture. Thanks.